Your brakes are one of the most important components on your vehicle. Keeping an eye and ear out for any changes could help when you need your brakes most. All vehicle brakes have a normal lifespan. Parts wear out with use and need to be replaced over time. By staying on top of vehicle health, you can make sure your brakes continue working safely and reliably and reduce the likelihood of failure. All brakes feel different with use. This is normal, but you can pay attention to the differences and take your vehicle to the experts at your GMC dealership to be inspected if you experience any of the following: grinding noises, a spongy feeling when you press the brake pedal, longer than normal stopping distances, vibrations through the pedal, or if your vehicle pulls to the left or right when you press the brakes. You can also look to see if your vehicle has wear indicators. By checking wear indicators, you can know when it's time to bring your vehicle into your GMC dealership to get the brakes serviced. The indicators are metal tabs built into the brake pads. When the pads wear to the point that the indicators are revealed, the tabs will rub against the rotors, emitting a chirping, squealing, or whistling sound. When you hear any of these sounds, it's time to get your brakes checked. Your vehicle may also feature a brake pad life monitor that uses sensors to indicate brake wear. When service is needed, a message will be displayed in the Driver Information Center. Brake components wear out at different intervals under different driving conditions. It's recommended to have your brakes inspected at least every 7,500 miles. If you sense that something isn't operating correctly within your brakes, schedule service with the experts at GMC Certified Service through the My GMC mobile app, the in-vehicle app, or on gmc.com/certified-service. Whenever you visit your dealership, be sure to ask for a multi-point vehicle inspection. This will show how different systems in the vehicle, like brakes, are performing. When you properly maintain your brakes with the help of a GMC certified service expert, there's no stopping your next adventure.